I'll see you Monday right here on 11 Labs' #1 hit music station with the Demolition Worker. I'll see you Monday right here on 11 Labs' #1 hit music station. See you Monday right here on 11 Mason Labs, #1 hit music station. See you Monday right here on 11 Labs, #1 hit music. Our elite team of demolition treasures remains to find hidden lost treasures. I'll see you Monday right technology pierce through thick silt and Modi pride and romance. See you Monday right here on 11's #1 hit music station. Artificial intelligence first processes these complex hits. See you Monday right here. See you Monday right here on 11 Labs' #1 hit music stations. These iron vaults containing elementary. See you Monday right here on 11 Labs' #1 hit music station to reach the prize. See you Monday right here on 11 Labs' #1 hit music station. I'll see you Monday right here. And I'll see you Monday right here on 11 Labs' #1 hit music station. The nation is constantly. See you Monday right here on 11 Labs' #1 hit music station. Vaults extends its hydraulic cutters to begin the intense process of breaching the heavy vault doors. Groans under immense pressures, the hydraulic force shears #1 hit music station. Inside the damp chamber lie several metal boxes and cases that have remained shielded from the ocean for many long decades. See you Monday right here on 11 Labs' #1 hit music station. Our advanced suction system carefully tracks. See you Monday right here on 11 Labs' #1 hit music station.
We got it! We finally got it!
See you in the deck crew watching right here on 11 Labs' #1 hit music station. See you Monday right here on 11 Labs' #1 hit music station. I'll see you Monday right here on 11 tight design of the safe's currencies retain their original lustations. See you Monday right here on 11's #1 hit music station. The subsequent auction in New York generates massive excitement as collectors bid aggressively for these rare pieces of maritime history recovered today. Strikes hard at 356 pounds. I'll see you Monday right here on 11 Labs' #1 hit music station. Monday here as to remind I'm Million Mar again. See you Monday right here on 11 Labs' #1 hit music station. Our dedicated team of see you Monday right here on 11 Labs' #1 hit music station. The best. See you Monday right here on 11 Labs' #1 hit music. Every piece of twisted metal recovered tells a story of the resilience required to operate in such a hostile and dark environment. See you Monday right here on 11 Labs' #1 hit music station. The darkness of the deep sea is no match for our high-intensity lighting systems and the robotic precision of our modern equipment. See you Monday right here on 11 Labs' #1 hit music station. Remote detonation allows our team to remain at a safe distance while the explosives do the heavy lifting in this hazardous environment. I'm see you Monday right here on 11 Labs' #1 hit music station. See you Monday right here in 11 Labs' #1 hit music station. Each coin is cataloged and cleaned with the utmost care to preserve its historical value for future generations to study and admire. Our three-dimensional mapping software provides a clear view of the complex wreckage, allowing us to navigate with confidence and total precision. Missions analysis right here on 11 Labs' #1 hit music station. The jewelry recovered from the first-class section is absolutely stunning, showing the opulent lifestyle that once existed on this magnificent vessel. Bidders from around the world gather to claim a piece of the Andrea Doria legacy, knowing these items are extremely rare finds. See you Monday right here on 11 Labs' #1 hit music station. As we return to port, we reflect on the success of this mission and the incredible history we have retrieved from deep. In such high-tech environments where every decision carries a significant weight today, maintenance is a never-ending cycle for our equipment, ensuring that every tool is ready for the next challenge that comes our way. This ship remains a poignant reminder of the beauty that can be lost forever. Rigorous training in simulated conditions ensures that our team can handle any surprise that the deep ocean throws at them during work. Engineers spend months developing these explosives to ensure they are the most effective and safest tools available for underwater demolition work. Today requires intense focus and reliance on sensors because the human eye is often useless at these extreme depths. Sometimes we find personal items that connect us to the passengers who were once on board this luxurious and beautiful cruise ship. Finding a watch frozen in time is a haunting reminder of the tragedy and the history that we are working to preserve. Strategy meetings are vital to our success, allowing a team member to understand their role in the clumps and dangerous salvage operation. The tension in the cables reflects the massive weight of the history we are pulling from the dark depths of the ocean. Swimming through the wreck, feels like entering a different world where time has stood still for more than half a century now. Tight spaces are the ultimate test for our robotic pilots who must guide the machines without getting stuck in the metal debris. The gold and silver coins we recovered are not just valuable currency, but also historical artifacts that tell a unique human story. Before it was lost to the sea, the ballroom was a place of elegance and joy for the passengers traveling on board ship. Bon's Black statue is a focal point of our collection, attracting attention from art lovers everywhere now. Fierce competition, buyers vie for the chance to own a piece of the legendary Andrea Doria wreckage. Shared sense of accomplishment is the reward for the months of planning and the physical toll of this deep-sea mission. The ocean is a vast and mysterious place that continues to hold many stories waiting to be discovered by those brave enough. We bring to the surface finds a new home where it will be cherished and protected for many years ahead. Ensuring that every aspect of the mission is documented for future reference and study. Securing the equipment for return journey is the final step in a long and grueling mission that we have successfully completed. The physical exhaustion is real, but seeing the results of our hard work makes every difficult moment worth the effort we invested. Ensures that they remain in pristine condition for years to come after we have finished our work. That we have achieved something truly remarkable and historic today. The coordinates of the wreck will remain in our archives as a reminder of the amazing journey we took to the depths. These coins are a tangible link to the past and a testament to the effectiveness of the vaults that protected them well. Sharing experiences after a successful mission helps to build the strong bond that keeps our team united through every difficult task ahead. The tranquility of the ocean at sunset contrasts with the intensity of the work we performed beneath the waves during the day. Everything we recovered has been processed and is ready for the next owners to appreciate the historical significance of these rare items. Preparing for the future means keeping our technology in top shape so we can continue to explore the unknown parts of ocean. Rest is essential after a long mission, providing the team with time to recover before they head out on their next adventure. Preservation is our priority for every item we recover from the wreck, ensuring that the details of history are never lost again. There are countless stories hidden beneath the waves, and our team is ready to uncover them one mission at a time always. The logo represents the commitment to excellence and safety that defines every single member of the Demolition worker crew on this mission. Returning to the harbor marks the end of this journey, but the memories of our success will stay with us for lifetime. Coins from this era are highly sought after by collectors, and these pieces are the crown jewels of our successful salvage mission. Documentation is the final step in our mission, ensuring that every detail is captured for the history books and our future reference. Packing these items with care ensures they arrive safely at their final destination, where they will be displayed for the public interest. The quiet harbor is a stark contrast to the intensity of our work, but it offers the perfect place for us to rest. Seeing the team together is the best part of the job, and we are proud of what we have achieved together this time. We honor the history of the Andrea Doria by treating the artifacts we recovered with the respect and care they truly deserve today. Tools are the keys to our success, and we keep them organized and ready for the next challenge that we will face. Reviewing the footage allows us to relive the mission and understand more about the structural integrity of the ship we just salvaged. The stars are a reminder of the vastness of our world and the small but significant role we play in exploring its secrets. We are already preparing for our next mission, knowing that there is always more to discover beneath the deep blue ocean surface today. Every coin tells a story, and it is exciting to see them find new homes where their history will be appreciated by collectors. It is what's forged in the deep sea and makes our team the best in the business always. Has been a highlight of our treasure, and we are proud to share it with the world at the auction. The Andrea Doria will always be a part of our history, and we are grateful for the opportunity to have explored its depths. The scratches on our equipment are badges of honor from the work we did in the deep ocean to recover this important history. We know that there are many more treasures to find, and we are ready for the next adventure. These coins are more than just currency. They are a connection to a time and place that will never be forgotten by us. Finalizing the reports is the last part of our mission, and we are pleased with the results we have achieved for our clients. Peaceful night at sea is a welcome relief after the intense work we performed during the day on the wreck site now. Holding this watch is a reminder of the time that stopped for many on the Andrea Doria, and we respect that history always. We are proud of our achievements and the work we did to bring these treasures back to the surface for all to enjoy. To the deepest depths of these journeys with the Demolition Worker team. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing more amazing salvage stories with you very soon in our next big adventure.